Hi everybody, it's Miss Beck, and today we are going to be doing our lesson, and we talked about a rectangle. So I hope you listen to our rectangle song, and let's think about the things we know are true about a rectangle. So a rectangle has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to come right over here, and on our chart, we're going to actually record all of the shapes that we've done so far, all the 4 basic shapes, and these are plane shapes. That means they are flat shapes. So a rectangle has 4 sides. How many lines does that rectangle have? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many points does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We can also call those points vertices. Vertices are another word for points. 1, 2, 3, 4. The important thing to remember about a rectangle is it has 2 sides that are long and 2 sides that are short. That's how it's different than a square, okay? Do you remember the next shape we have after? Let's see. We had a circle, and a circle is round. Do you remember how many sides a circle has? That's right. It has 0 sides. It doesn't have any sides at all. It goes around and around and around. So a circle has 0 sides. 0 means none at all. How many lines does a circle have? 0. It doesn't have any lines at all. It's completely curved. How many points or vertices does it have? That's right, it has 0. 0, 0, 0. Notice that those numbers are all the same. 0 sides, 0 lines, 0 points, and 0 vertices. On the rectangle, 4 sides, 4 lines, 4 points, and 4 vertices. So those numbers are the same. The next shape we had was a triangle. How many sides does this triangle have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. If a triangle has 3 sides, it also has how many lines? 1, 2, 3. It also has how many points? 1, 2, 3. Another word for points is vertices. 1, 2, 3. Our last shape was a square. Now, squares are very similar to rectangles in that they have how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many points or vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the one thing I want you to remember about the square is all of its lines are equal. So if we look at these 2 lines, they are equal. If we look at these 2 lines, they are equal. When we look at the rectangle, it does not have equal lines. So if we look at this one, this has a long line and this has a short line. And these are equal on either side. And these are equal. So rectangles and squares are very, very similar. Remember what happened when we put the 2 rectangles together? What did we get? Remember, we got a square. So rectangles and squares are very, very similar. Boys and girls, you have done a great job learning about shapes. Today, our shape was the rectangle. Let's review. Rectangle, square, circle, and triangle. Boys and girls, these are all flat shapes. Another word for flat shape is a plane shape. Flat shapes are shapes that can be drawn on a piece of paper. After a while, when we get a little further down the road, we will be talking about 3D shapes, such as a cube or a sphere or a cone. Boys and girls, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the rectangle and the Have Fun Teaching has songs for all of the letters and all of the shapes as well. So you may want to check those out. You can press in on your YouTube, Have Fun Teaching Square, Have Fun Teaching Circle, Have Fun Teaching Triangle. It has all of the shapes. It has hexagon and it has, every letter of the alphabet. Okay, friends, I'll see you later. Thank you for stopping in. Bye-bye.